So Dover Hardboard have changed the GSAT system, and we get quite a few people asking how they do it now. So it's quite simple. Search on Google GSAT Dover, and it's the top one, Port of Dover. So it's gsat.portofdover.com. Click on that. Renew access control pass. Continue. Pass holder. Continue. So this is the page that's confusing a lot of people. So you now, to use the Dover Harbor, the Port of Dover website, you now need to sign into your own account. So each individual person has got their own account. It's nothing to do with the account that you have for the Fish Dover website. So it's totally separate from Dover Sea Angling. This is purely for the Port of Dover. So when you log into your account, it's going to know who you are. It's going to know your pass number and everything once you've set it up. So the way they've done it, there's several ways that you can create a new account. So the chances are you haven't got an account with the Port of Dover because this is new. You didn't need one before. So you can either sign up now, and if you follow that, it'll ask you for a few details, email address, password that you want to use, and it'll create an account. And then you can just come back to this page and sign in here, put your email address and your password in, and it will take you into your account. But a lot easier way of doing it is if you've got either LinkedIn, Google, that's Gmail, or Facebook. If you've got any of those, if you just click on those links and you can use the same login you've got for Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn, it's completely secure. It's very common that this happens, that those major websites allow their login system to be used by other websites. It's completely secure. Your Facebook or your Google is not at risk, but it just verifies you to the Port of Dover and means that you can log in without creating a new account or without having to come up with a new password. So we would suggest using those if you can. If you don't want to, use this one down here. But just a reminder, it's got nothing to do with your account that you've got for Fish Dover. That is a totally separate thing. So your login that you use to book fishing days will not work on this website. You need to create a new account. Once you've created your new account, you're only going to use it once a year when you renew your GSAT, but you've done it then. And that's the main reason why it's probably best to use one of these, because you're going to be using the Facebook all the time. So if you create a new password in a year's time, you might have forgotten what it is. Whereas if you use your Facebook or Google, you're going to be using that all the time, so you can just get back in.